Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 17 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, I showed you how to import this from Revit to Twinmotion. I used Smith, and then we added materials, and then we added some bushes. Now we're gonna continue working on this. So what I want to do next is to go to my user library and then add in some houses. So I know we have some houses right here that I could just add. Okay, so then now just gonna rotate it 90 degrees. There we go. And then here we need to set their material. I'm gonna use concrete. And then I'm just gonna use stone here. Anything that needs to be changed, maybe wood material here, I'm just gonna add that. And then scale it a bit to make it nice. So I'm happy with it. I'm still gonna lower this a bit so that it doesn't show the platform that it has on my side. It's not gonna be shown anyway, but at least we have a house there, and maybe another house, same thing on the other side. But 360 or 180 degrees. Okay. The most important is we have something like that here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it a bit far. And maybe this one, maybe this side will be on the other side, just to have that separation there, because it's easier for me. It will look much better. In terms of adding vegetation, so some trees on it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click some of the stuff that I use first so that it's ready for us to just drag and drop, because now it's not preloaded with newer Twinmotion. So I'm gonna do that and wait for this to finish first, and then I'm gonna keep on adding some of the trees here. So I have everything downloaded, so almost I missed one there, but at least we'll be able to add in some trees. This one's too big. Maybe this one, just for the front. I'll probably just put it on the other side. These for the other side, and then maybe just a small one here. For this one, I don't like the way that this one looks. I want probably something like this one at the back. Sea pine. And then we could just keep on adding those. And then sweet trees here. I'm gonna check different ones. And then maybe some bushes here. I'm gonna choose all of this and then click it here at the side here. So you can select all of them, and then every time you click, it will change in size. So it depends on where you click it. So it will give you random. And then here, I'm just going to lower this one a bit. Then here, let's lower this down a bit, and then we have something like that. And I'm choosing a nice tree in front, maybe a bigger one. A big one that won't interfere too much. Make it something like that. Because I still want to feature our model. So at least if I have the view right here, I can showcase the curve. So I think that this is nice view right here. Probably going to increase this a bit. Okay. I'm going to add some cars, so I have a user library with cars in it. So I would like to add this conic seg. And then let's go on material because we have carping now, and I want this one to be color blue, similar to Blue Jays. Okay. Looking good right there. I have this wavy look. The only problem is once I have a view like this, I'm gonna check this Italian stone pine. Either way, I think I'm just gonna stick with a smaller one. Maybe this Japanese walnut. But if you age it a bit, it's still the same. I'm gonna try this one. Gonna stick with this. I think this is the most convenient one. I can even make it bigger, but at least it's still showing the look that we have here. That's the most important. So now I'm gonna double check. I still need to add some trees outside here, but we need to make this one bigger. So the size, make it bigger. And then we need some trees here. Random trees that you can add. I'm holding on the control so that I could just keep on clicking different kinds of trees. And then we need that so that it could reflect into our model. And then now let's check that one. I'll probably going to check the window, the opacity, intensity, basic, and then opacity, intensity. I'm gonna put it at 1, and then here I think that's good enough now. And then here for the lighting fixtures, I want the temperature to be like that, and then the intensity to be around 10 only. And then here as well. I want to be yellow. Okay. And then it's better to add in some details, like for example some grass, so some dead grass around. I want to add some trees on this side as well. Okay. Maybe this one I'm just gonna delete. And then we have something there. And then I'm gonna go to ambience. I'm gonna check on the environment, and then I'm gonna check on the season. I want to add some season changing trees. I think that one will look nicer. Even this one, some red Katsura trees. Wondering if I could maybe lower the age here instead, and instead of this one I could use this. And then for the 3D grass, just gonna do some coloring there and adding some details there on the side. It's looking good. I'm gonna do again some season. And if you go to details, you can increase bottles sizes. And then there you go. That's looking good. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.